Hi guys, it's Moz here from Moz6510 Models. Today I'm going to be doing another catalogue page by page. If you've been to this channel before, you know that I actually love collecting catalogues, and what I'm trying to do is film all the catalogues that I have in my collection page by page so that you can watch the videos and see what the manufacturers were coming out with back in the day. But today I've got the latest one here, which is the Airfix 2021 catalogue. Inside this catalogue they have everything in their range, including the quick build, the starter set, their armour, their planes, and they also put in the back the Humbrol range as well, so you'll be able to see what they can do for you with paints, with washes and their spray paints. So if you want to watch this in the best quality, go to the cog settings, click quality and put it up to about 1080p. Also, if you want to watch this slowly, you can also go to the cog settings, go to the playback speed and select either 0.5 or 0.2. Another way is just click pause when you see something that you like and then continue watching the video after. If you see anything in this catalogue that you like, just put them in the comments down below. I always reply to them, and just let me know what you think of the models and the range from Airfix this year. So let's get to it. This is the Airfix 2021 catalogue. Enjoy. So there's quite a bit in this catalogue. You know, as you go through it, it starts off with all their quick build range. They also, with their quick build range, they also move on then to what they're pushing more is these starter sets. And they've got a really good range. I'm really impressed with the range of the starter sets. They have quite a range here from the 1 to 72 range, which are basically all their small starter sets are around the 172 range. Then the medium starter sets, which is their cars at 132. The King Tiger Tank, which is 1 to 76 scale. They have the de Havilland Vampire. You can go down through. They've got some really, really good kits available. They're also pushing the Maverick range, which is going to be really good. I have got some of these on order, as it was my birthday last week, hence why I've been in very little videos. I've ordered a couple of these to come in so I can have a look. Also, big spreads in this catalogue because they've released this one, which is the Spitfire Mark 5C. They've also got a spread on their latest modes that are coming out this year, which is the Hawker Tempest. Moving on through, as you see, we've got the de Havilland Mosquito, which is something I'm really looking forward to building. They have quite a bit in this catalogue. Most of it, this is their 148 range of military aircraft. They're also bringing out these, which are their vintage classics, and they're doing the range of 1 to 76 scale figures. So they've got the infantry, the Royal Horse Artillery, the astronauts, US paratroopers, the Luftwaffe personnel. So yeah, there's quite a bit on. They've got the favourites here, which is the Apollo Saturn V, which, you know, yeah, they need to get away from the 60s and move on to doing a rocket or something in space for now. You know, we're one of the biggest space races since the 1980s, since the 1960s even, and we've gone past the shuttle, and we've got all this new technology coming out to get us back to the moon and on to Mars, and they still haven't built us anything to, you know, to build. You know, haven't created anything for us to build. You know, it's quite frustrating. Resin buildings, they've got a nice section of the resin buildings. There's the board games. They've got the Blood Red Skies Battle of Britain, and they've also got the Battles one. They look pretty good. I've not seen this one, but I'm going to have a little look at this when it comes in stock. Remember, they do their aerodrome and their workbench. Then you have the technical side of things, and moving on, they seem to be advertising this brand here. Is it Poca or something, which I presume are like 300-400 pound kits, if you know what I mean. You don't build them, you just buy the model and then you put it in this display case. So they're showing them off as well. There's that one, and they've also got the Fittipaldi John Player Special Lotus 72D from 1972. Then you move on to the Humbrol range. There's not much difference in the Humbrol range this year, apart from, which you noticed if you watch this through, they have now brought out the paint and brush sets. So like with your Hitaka paints or your Vallejo, they bring out a selection of paints that will do a particular model. They've started them with these. So you've got your RAF World War II colours. So you're going to get your 3 brushes, and you're going to get a 23 duck egg blue, 24 trainer yellow, 29 darker, 30 dark green, 33 black, 53 gunmetal, 56 aluminium, 62 leather in that kit. So if you're going to do something which is Royal Air Force from World War II, those colours are basically going to be everything that you need. You know, they're doing they spelled Luftwaffe wrong there. Acrylic, artillery, military colours, and Axis military colours. So, you know, and you can have them in acrylic or the enamel, depending on which one you want. They also have this one here, which is more for, I would say, for people who just want crafty stuff. Obviously, somebody's got a stone there and they've painted it using these enamel metallic paints. So you've got them. And also, if you are buying the NHS Charities Together rainbow colour set, you know, which you could do with the plane that they're bringing out, which is the Hawk, those are the colours that you need to do that. And also, £2.50 from the sale of this product will be donated to the NHS. Moving on through, nothing much else to add. Nothing special, really. That's all they're bringing out this year for Humbrol. And then at the back, there it is. Interesting. Oh, good. So there you go. That was the catalogue. Could I ask a favour, please? I know that 9% of the viewers of my catalogue videos are subscribers. That means that 91% of you who watch this type of video aren't subscribed. If you could do me a favour and you'd like these kind of videos, would you just click the subscribe button and ring that bell so you'll be notified on any new videos? And that would really help the channel. Again, any questions, any comments, anything that you like in the catalogue, anything you didn't like, put them in the comments below and let's have a debate, let's have a little chat. I always reply to all the comments that come through, and it's great to know and hear of your thoughts. Anyways, that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.